Hello ladies, hello gents, thank you for being here today. My name is Mira Skende and we are 1 week away from Valentine's Day. You romantics out there, you know what I'm talking about. Valentine's Day is that day that has been set aside specifically for love. It is a day that you get to show that one special person in your life how much they mean to you, how much you care about them, how much they have brought into your life. Like, you just go ahead and show them with all the love. Yeah, you gotta show that person that you love them every other day, but Valentine's Day is just for that. It's a day that you don't knock. It's a day that you don't talk about things that are going to ruin the moment. It's a day that is just for love. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving ladies three gift ideas that they can gift their man that is going to rock their world. And the better part of it is that these gift ideas will cost you nothing. It will not cost you a dime. So, the first gift idea that you can gift your man to rock his world is the gift of your femininity. If you know what I mean. Ladies, we were born with our curves. We have different curves. We have different places that we like. We have different things about our bodies that makes us beautiful. And this is that beauty that you have to gift onto your man on Valentine's Day. I'm going to break it down. So on Valentine's Day, what you're going to do is, and mind you, these three gift ideas that I'm talking about, you can do either of them or you can combine them. If you have that time, you can combine them as one and just blow this mind's mind. So, like I was saying, number one, the way you're going to give this man your gift of your femininity is you're going to create an atmosphere that is serene, an atmosphere that is calm and romantic. You will go into your bedroom, because the bedroom is your sacred place, right? You're going into your bedroom, create an atmosphere, play a very good, nice music. You don't need to pay for it. You can go on YouTube and you will find various music that you know that is going to cater to this man, you know. You play that music, you light the candles. If you're someone whose bedroom has different lights, then you can use a color of your choice. Or if you prefer candles, you can use candles. And you know, I believe most people have scented candles in their homes, so use a scented candle. That way it makes the, you know, it gives that aroma, it gives that great scent in the home and makes it calm. So while you've done that, you're going to go in there, you take a shower. When you're done taking a shower, you spray yourself as well. That way you smell good. Call your man into the room. Have him take a shower as well. Or he can take a shower before you. You know, when you call him into the room, you lay this man on your chest. Lay him on your laps. You know, do like Delilah. For you who know your Bible stories, we need to learn a thing or two from these women in the Bible, like Jezebel and Delilah, that were not very great women, but then they were able to capture the innermost part of a man. We can learn a thing or two from them, but this is for another video. So like I was saying, lay this man flat, be like Delilah, and just feed into this man, speak to this man, speak to his ego. And when I say be like Delilah, I don't say cut his hair, don't cut off the man's hair. That is not the aim of this video or the aim of what you're trying to do. So you will lay this man on your lap, right? And you will speak to him, because words are very powerful. If you're the woman who speaks to your man in a very nice way, like you speak to him, you speak positive things into his life and appreciate him, he will want to do all these things that you want. So speak to this man. Just let the music play. If he doesn't want to talk at that moment, because it is a gift that you're giving unto him, so whatever you want to do at that time, you let him do. If you just want to lay on your chest quietly, let him have that quiet moment. Let him have that rest. And while he's laying there, just caress his head, caress any part of his body that you know is going to arouse him. And when you're done talking to this man, you can then give him your glory. If you know what I'm talking about, ladies. The next point that you can give to your man as a gift is the gift of a spa date. Yeah, even if you can afford to take him to the spa, don't do it. just like I said, create this atmosphere at home. You know, if you have a bathtub in your house, lay roses in the bathtub, run the water, just put in some bombshells in there for the man. And when the bubble bath is ready, invite him into the bathroom. While he's in there soaking himself, just give him some wine or juice, whatever you know he really likes. That way he's calm, he's comfortable. He's not thinking about anything that is bothering him. At that moment, while he's in there, you must have taken your shower and you're all fresh and smelling nice. You go into the bedroom. You lay the bed in such a way that it's flat and make the surface conducive. Light the candles. Play some music. Music is always food to the soul, you know. And when he's done taking that soak, he's going to go in there and shower and wipe down. When he's done, usher him onto the bed. When he's on the bed, then you become his muscles. You massage this man till you can massage him no more. Make him feel like he has a woman. Make him feel like he is the king that he is in your life. Make him feel like this woman is who that I want to come home to every day. When you do this thing for this man, you can get anything that you want from him at any time, because he knows that you have given him a gift that no one else has given him. You know, you're giving him something that is coming from within. And while you're massaging him, let him just be there in your presence. Just say nice things to him. If you don't feel like saying nice things to him at that moment, just let the atmosphere be quiet while the music is playing. It's going to fit into this man. It's going to fit into his soul. And that is a great gift that you can give to your man without spending a dime. The third gift that you can give to your man is the gift of food. Like they say, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So every man out there has something that he really, really likes. And if you're the kind of person that doesn't know how to cook his favorite meal, ladies, you got 1 week, 1 whole week to learn how to cook that meal. And it's going to be even better, because when you've put in this effort into cooking this meal for a man who knows that you don't know how to make it, it's going to blow his mind, because he knows that you care about him. He knows that you are making the effort just to make him happy. And if you want to take it a notch, if you want to take it up a notch, right, you write a handwritten note. When you're done preparing this meal, you set up the table in a very cozy way, right? Put some candles there. I'm a fan of candles, you can tell, right? You put some candles, and when you're done writing this note, you can set this note on a plate. Not a plate that he's gonna eat from, because when you set the table, you put a plate that he's gonna eat from. Then you put another plate on that plate where you're gonna set that note for him. So by the time he sits down, that's the first thing he's seeing, and he's gonna pick it up and he reads from his lovely wife, or he reads from his lovely significant other. You know, so this is going to make him, whatever thing that you want to tell him, if you're the shy person that cannot really tell him everything, you've put it down on that note, handwritten, not typed. When he reads it, he's going to understand how much you care about him. He's going to be able to read your mind, reach your soul. And when he's done reading that, you guys can have the meal. When you're done having the meal, while you're having the meal, you can have conversations about memories, about the things that has happened in the past, about all the beautiful things. This is not a time for you to talk about the kids. This is not the time for you to talk about other people. This is not the time for you to talk about the things that he has not done, or the things that you want him to do for you. This is a gift that you're giving unto him. So you will be talking about nice things, things that are going to make the mood alive, things that are going to bring back good memories of all the nice things that you guys have shared together, you know. So, and when you're done, usher this man upstairs and give him a bit of your glory, ladies. Usher him into your bedroom. That is what I meant. Thank you, ladies. Let me know in the comments below what you did for your man for Valentine's Day, or what you're planning to do. And if you need any help or something that you think you want me to add on the things that I've already said, or you want me to expatiate, I am here for you. I got you, ladies. I got you. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, share, And do not forget to subscribe. You that are watching me, why haven't you yet subscribed to this YouTube channel? Subscribe, guys, and have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and let love rule the world. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And now I wonder, why won't you